When we think of health, our minds often jump to images of toned physiques or glowing skin. However, true well-being starts deeper, in the intricate world of our gut. Often referred to as our second brain, the gut plays a far more significant role in our overall health than we might realize. More than just digestion, our gut is a bustling hub of activity, influencing everything from our immunity to our mood. It's a complex ecosystem teeming with trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses collectively known as the gut microbiome. This internal world plays a critical role in our health, impacting nutrient absorption, hormone production, and even our mental well-being. Understanding the importance of gut health is the first step towards unlocking a healthier and happier you. By nourishing our gut, we're not just improving digestion, we're supporting our immune system, balancing our mood, and even protecting our heart health. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of the gut and discover how we can nurture it for optimal well-being. Imagine a bustling city within your own body, a metropolis of trillions of microorganisms working tirelessly to keep you healthy. This is your gut microbiome, a complex and diverse ecosystem of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes that reside in your digestive tract. These tiny tenants are not just passive inhabitants, they are active participants in many crucial bodily functions. They help us break down food, synthesize essential vitamins like B vitamins and vitamin K, and even produce hormones that influence our mood, sleep, and metabolism. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden. A healthy and diverse microbiome is like a thriving garden, bursting with a variety of plants that nourish the soil and support life. An imbalance in this ecosystem, like a garden overrun by weeds, can disrupt the delicate harmony within, leading to various health issues. Just as we tend to our gardens, we need to nurture our gut microbiome. A balanced and diverse diet, rich in fiber and fermented foods, is key to cultivating a thriving internal ecosystem. Did you know that a significant portion of your immune system resides in your gut? That's right. Your gut plays a vital role in defending your body against harmful invaders. The gut lining acts as a barrier, preventing harmful bacteria and toxins from entering your bloodstream. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in training and supporting your immune system. It educates your immune cells, helping them distinguish between friendly bacteria and harmful pathogens. A healthy and diverse microbiome ensures that your immune system is primed and ready to defend your body against infections. When the gut microbiome is imbalanced, it can weaken the intestinal barrier, making you more susceptible to infections and inflammation. This imbalance can also contribute to autoimmune disorders, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. By nurturing our gut microbiome with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices, we can strengthen our immune defenses and promote overall well-being. Imagine your intestinal lining as a tightly woven net, carefully controlling what enters your bloodstream. This single layer of cells acts as a selective barrier, allowing nutrients to pass through while keeping harmful substances at bay. This barrier function is essential for preventing leaky gut syndrome, a condition where gaps in the intestinal lining allow undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins to leak into the bloodstream. This leakage can trigger inflammation throughout the body and contribute to various health problems. A healthy intestinal lining is crucial for efficient nutrient absorption. The tiny finger-like projections called villi that line the intestines absorb nutrients from digested food, delivering them to the bloodstream to fuel your body. Factors like stress, medications, and a poor diet can damage the delicate intestinal lining, compromising its barrier function and nutrient absorption capabilities. By making healthy lifestyle choices and incorporating gut-friendly foods, we can support the integrity of our intestinal lining. Section 5. Recognizing an unhealthy gut. Listen to your body. Our bodies communicate with us, and our gut is no exception. Recognizing signs of an unhappy gut is crucial for early intervention. Digestive distress is often the most obvious sign. Bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, or heartburn can indicate gut issues. Identify trigger foods that worsen symptoms. An unhealthy gut can also cause frequent infections, skin problems, fatigue, mood swings, and food cravings. Consider the impact of diet and lifestyle on your gut. Processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats disrupt gut balance. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, and certain medications harm gut health. Listen to your body and adjust your diet and lifestyle to support gut health. Section 6. Nourishing your gut, dietary strategies for success. A balanced diet is essential for overall health and nurturing a thriving gut microbiome. The food we consume nourishes our bodies and the trillions of microorganisms in our gut. Increase your fiber intake to support beneficial gut bacteria. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi help diversify your gut microbiome. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating more fiber-rich and fermented foods. Section 7. The power of plants. Diversity is key for gut health. When it comes to gut health, diversity is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental principle. Just like a thriving forest ecosystem depends on a wide variety of plant and animal life, a healthy gut microbiome thrives on diversity. Aim to consume a rainbow of fruits and vegetables every day. Each color represents a different group of phytonutrients, plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that benefit both your body and your gut bacteria. Don't be afraid to try new and exotic fruits and vegetables. Expanding your culinary horizons introduces your gut to a wider variety of plant fibers and beneficial compounds, further enhancing the diversity of your microbiome. Rotating your fruits and vegetables ensures that you're not just relying on the same few sources of nutrients. This variety keeps your gut microbiome on its toes, providing it with a diverse range of prebiotic fibers to feed on. Section 8. Prebiotics and probiotics fueling your gut microbiome. You've likely heard of probiotics, the live bacteria found in fermented foods and supplements that add beneficial microbes to your gut. But have you heard of prebiotics? Prebiotics are a type of fiber that serves as food for the good bacteria already residing in your gut. Think of prebiotics as the fertilizer for your gut garden, providing the nourishment your beneficial bacteria need to thrive. Excellent sources of prebiotics include foods like onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and flax seeds. Probiotics, on the other hand, are like adding new plants to your gut garden. They introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut, helping to repopulate and diversify your microbiome. You can obtain probiotics through fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or through probiotic supplements. When choosing a probiotic supplement, look for one with multiple strains of bacteria and ensure it's from a reputable brand. Section 9. Lifestyle changes for a happy gut. Diet is crucial, but lifestyle choices also impact gut health. Chronic stress disrupts gut bacteria and increases inflammation. Practices like yoga and meditation can improve gut health. Quality sleep is essential for gut health. Regular exercise benefits gut microbiome diversity. Find enjoyable activities and aim for 30 minutes of exercise most days. Section 10. The gut-heart connection. A surprising link. We often think of heart health and gut health as separate entities, but emerging research reveals a fascinating connection between these two vital organs. It turns out that the trillions of microbes residing in our gut can significantly impact our cardiovascular well-being. One way the gut microbiome influences heart health is through its role in metabolizing polyphenols. Polyphenols are beneficial plant compounds found in foods like berries, tea, and dark chocolate. When we consume polyphenols, our gut bacteria break them down into smaller compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, protecting our blood vessels from damage. The gut microbiome also plays a role in regulating blood pressure. Certain bacteria in our gut produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate through the fermentation of fiber. Butyrate has been shown to have blood pressure-lowering effects. By nurturing a healthy gut microbiome through a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices, we can support not only our digestive health but also our cardiovascular well-being. Section 11. Conclusion. Investing in your gut. Investing in your health. Our gut is far more than just a digestive organ. It's a complex ecosystem that plays a fundamental role in our overall health and well-being. From supporting our immune system and influencing our mood to protecting our heart health, a thriving gut is essential for a healthy and vibrant life. By understanding the intricate workings of our gut microbiome, the importance of a healthy intestinal lining, and the gut-immune connection, we can make informed choices that nurture our gut health. Embracing a diverse and fiber-rich diet, incorporating fermented foods, managing stress, prioritizing sleep, and engaging in regular physical activity are all investments in our gut health and, consequently, our overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is a journey, not a destination. By listening to our bodies, making gradual and sustainable changes, and seeking guidance from healthcare professionals when needed, we can cultivate a thriving gut microbiome and reap the countless benefits of a happy and healthy gut.